A very good morning to class 4th. As you know, beta, yesterday we have completed our chapter exercise 14.3. In this exercise, we discussed about semicircle, right? So semicircle means half of a circle. Now, today we will discuss about the net of the shapes. Net, you can say this is like a rough structures we made, right? जैसे आप हाउस बनाने से पहले मैप बनवाते हैं, राइट? वही क्या होता है, वैसे ही जैसे हम सॉलिड शेप्स बनाते हैं उनके लिए पहले नेट बनाए जाते हैं. सॉलिड शेप्स आर लाइक क्यूब, क्यूबॉइड, स्फेयर, सिलेंडर, कोन. फॉर दैट फर्स्टली वी विल मेक द net. On the basis of that, then we will make our cubes, cuboids, cone, sphere. So clear? Net work as when you making the house, the map work, right? The map of your house where you want to room, kitchen, washroom, they all. So what do you mean by the net of the solid? So students, when you go at the bakery, there you buy a cake or pastry. They are folding the box, the plain, you can say the plain boxes, plain papers they make into this shape, right? So this is what? This is, they are making as a shape of cuboids, right? So same like this, today we will learn how to draw the net of cubes, cuboid, cone and cylinder. So a plain figure is converted into a solid figure. This cut out is the net of the box which he made to pack your stuff. This a net is a 2D shapes which when folded result in a 3D shapes. So जो आपके ये नेट होते हैं ये हम 2D में करेंगे and when we convert that net into the shapes they take the shape of 3D, right? So first we will study the net of the cube and that cube is open top. So first step is take a square 6 centimeter into 6 centimeters like this. आपको 3 boxes 3 into 3 for rows and column. I am talking about rows and column. देखो स्टूडेंट्स, जो ऐसे लाइंस में होते हैं ये होते हैं आपके कॉलम. क्या बोलते हैं हम इनको? कॉलम. एंड दीज आर रोज, राइट? सो आप इसको 6 क्रॉस 6, रिमेंबर 6 क्रॉस 6 लाइक दिस. आप ऐसे ही 6 बॉक्स ड्रॉ करेंगे, 9 बॉक्सेस ड्रॉ करेंगे आप, राइट? आफ्टर दैट कट आउट स्क्वायर्स एट कॉर्नर, मीन्स दिस 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 एंड दिस. आप ऑल कॉर्नर्स को कट करो. व्हेन यू कट इट, इट विल बी विथ दिस शेप. इस शेप में आएगा ये कट करने के बाद. उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, इन सभी शेप्स को मिडल वाली जो आपकी ये कह लो आप इसको सेंटर शेप की तरफ सबको हम ऐसे टर्न करेंगे. इस साइड से ऐसे फोल्ड हो जाएगा, दिस साइड दिस, इस साइड से भी ऐसे और यहाँ से ये ऐसे. और ये जो है आपका किसकी शेप लेगा? ओपन क्यूब की. क्लियर? ओपन क्यूब. सो दिस इज द नेट ऑफ द क्यूब, राइट? सी, take a square 6 centimeter multiply 6 centimeter, or you can say make a 3 cross 3 square grid. Cut out squares at corners. We get the net of a cube with open top. Now fold the flaps. जो ये corners हैं, जो ये part आया है आपका कट करने के बाद. Now fold the flaps. We get a cube with open top, right? Clear this is? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total how many? 5 boxes are there of cube. Now, then net of a cube with closed top. After this, for closed one, what you have to do? 3 column and 4 rows. Means 3 multiply 4 square grid. And this is 8 centimeter cross 6. This side 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So, right now for this, you will cut these squares from the shape. These from the shape like this. When you cut all this, it will be like this. Right? Now same like this, fold them towards this center one, and this will come at the top to cover all the boxes. Right? It will look like this, and this is the shape of net of cube with closed top. Clear? After this, the net of a cuboid with open top. Now see, the difference between cube and cuboid is the measurements. In cube, the measurements are equal of every box. This is also 2, 2, 2, 2. This also 2. But in cuboids, the shapes, size of the boxes will change. So now, cut out a rectangle 10 centimeter multiply with 8. Means 3, 2, 3. Students, this measurement you have to learn that which side you have to do 3, which side you have to draw 4. Mainly 3 this side means 3 rows, and see this in this also 3 rows and 3 column, but mainly जो आपकी increment है वो इस side है. This is open, that's why they are 3, 3. Now when the closed cube, then they are 3 and 4. डायमेंशंस चेंज हैं आपकी क्यूब और क्यूबॉइड में, अदरवाइज सेम है आपका. इसमें भी आपको ऐसे ही कट करना है एंड देन ओवरलैप करोगे आप, इट विल टेक द शेप ऑफ क्यूबॉइड. राइट? नाउ कम टू द नेट ऑफ सिलेंडर. You have to learn about these, the net of cube. You have to learn that how to draw this. For today your work is just try and learn about the net, how they drawn and how to draw them. Now come to this, the net of a cylinder. Cut out the net of a cylinder. A rectangle 6.2 centimeter multiply with 3 centimeter. Rectangle whose breadth is see, this is 6.2 centimeter and this one 3 centimeter, and 2 circle of radius 1 centimeter like this. Right? Fold as shown means आप उसको ऐसे rotate करेंगे like this. See, this is, assume that this is a cylinder, upper side 1 centimeter circle and down side. So I will fold it like this. Right? See, it completely cover from both the sides, and now you can see this is, and this side also 1 circle. It takes the shape of a cylinder. So for the shape of the cylinder, what is required here? In between 1 rectangle and top side 1 circles. Clear? Now about the net of a cone. So cut out the net of a cone, a semicircle of radius 4 centimeter. Hope everyone watched the previous video in which we have discussed about the radius, circumference, circle and semicircle. So here you have to draw the semicircle of radius 4 centimeter and a circle of radius 2 centimeter like this. Fold as it shown means आपको अगेन उसको फोल्ड करना है एंड इट विल टेक द शेप ऑफ दिस वन. Clear? When you drawn it with the paper, they will take the shape of this. And in the next video, I will show you all the shapes with the help of the net. Right? Now, some remember points are there. That is, remember radius of a circle is same as the radius of circle. Radius of semicircle is same as the radius of circle, which we have discussed in the previous videos also. Circumference of a circle is equal to the length of the circle. Same 2 points we have discussed in the previous video. Now come to your exercise. In this exercise, firstly, what shape would you get by folding the following nets? What will be its dimensions? So firstly, when you fold it to this side, this also this side, this one and this one, it comes at the top. It means this is the net of closed cube. And how I said cube? Because all dimensions are same, 5, 5, 5. Clear? Now with this, see this one 8 centimeter up, and it covers the complete one, and dimensions are different. So this one is closed cuboid. Clear? क्या है ये? Closed cuboid. And dimension in this is, see this is the height 3 centimeter, right? This one is the length 8 centimeter. This will breadth 7 centimeter and height 3 centimeter. Clear? Now the question number 2. Draw the net of cube of side 2 centimeter. Use your scale. Means with the help of scale like this you have to draw the net of the cube. It is not mentioned here that closed cube or open cube. This you will choose. You have to draw the square of 2 centimeter, means length also 2 and breadth also 2. Like this shapes, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes you have to draw, and they all are attached like this. Same, draw the net of cuboid 3 centimeter long. It means the middle one will be of 3 centimeter. So in this, length is 3 centimeter, it means middle will become of 3 centimeter, right? Breadth 2 centimeter, it means this side you will take 2 centimeter, this will, and height 1 centimeter. So this will be of 1 centimeter, right? Now this will be equals to this. This is also 1 centimeter. This one equal to this 2 centimeter. See, I am writing here in every box. And upper side, the shape come of cuboid. This is of 3 centimeter because ये जो down है बेटा, upper इस down को cover करेगा, तो it should be of same length with this. So clear? This is the net of a cuboid. Question number 3rd. 4th one, draw the net of cuboid 5 centimeter long, 4 centimeter broad and 3 centimeter high. You will draw yourself. Now, the next question, question number 5. What shape would you get by folding the following net? So by this, you get net of cylinder. See, in between one rectangle and both the side one circle. So this is net of cylinder, right? Then half circle and one complete circle is used here. This is the net of cone. Clear, students? Now draw the freehand net of a cylinder. Freehand means without using the scale. So see, I am drawing in the book, that's why I am making it small. you are drawing in your notebook, you can make it large. Now draw a freehand net of a cone. So freehand, it will be half circle and then full circle, right? Or you can say D and one complete O, but that D should not be like this, it should be in this form. Now draw the net of a cone with radius of circle as 1 centimeter. So what you will do, firstly you will draw the complete these two circles like this of radius 1 centimeter both, right? After this क्या करेंगे आप इसको इरेज कर देंगे, राइट? फिर आपके पास क्या रह जाएगा, ये हाफ सर्कल एंड वन कंप्लीट सर्कल. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? आफ्टर दैट you will erase it and then this will make the cone. This is the net of a cone, right? Now draw the net of a cone with radius of semicircle is 4 centimeter. See, in this radius of circle is 1 centimeter. So what you will do, not like this, आप एक 1 सेंटीमीटर का स्मॉल सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे, राइट? रेडियस क्या होगा उसका 1 सेंटीमीटर. उसके बाद this is on us that we will draw large one or the smaller one, but it should be attached to this, right? वो उसको अटैच करें. तो आप यहाँ पे कितना ही रेडियस लेके बेटा 2, 3, 4 एज यू लाइक यू कैन ड्रॉ. एंड उसके बाद आप यहाँ से हाफ को इरेज करोगे तो ये सेमी सर्कल हो जाएगा. एंड डाउन साइड 1 centimeter circle, this is confirmed. Now the question number 9. Draw the net of a cone with radius of semicircle as 4 centimeter. It means radius of semicircle 4 centimeter. So same, what you will do, everyone knows circle we are drawing with the help of compass. So draw the circle of 4 centimeter, right? This one, and then this point join here, means you will draw one diameter and erase this, and downside you can draw the small circle as you like of 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, as much you like. Clear both the questions? If anyone have any doubt, you can comment and ask. Now come to the question number 10. This question number 10 is, see, a net of a cube with open top has dash squares. How many squares? With the open cube they have only 4 squares, right? See, you can see in here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, here come 5 squares. Second one, a net of a cube with closed top has dash squares. Open one 5, it means square. Closed top has 6 squares. After that, a net of a cuboid with open top has. So see, क्यूब और क्यूबॉइड में आपके सेम ही रहेंगे बेटा, जस्ट डायमेंशंस चेंज हो जाएंगी. सो देयर ऑल्सो कम 5 रेक्टेंगल्स. वेट, नाउ नेक्स्ट 3 you will write yourself by observing these nets. So for today your homework is do exercise 14.4 and try to do these nets. If anyone have any problem, then comment and ask.